Hi everyone, welcome back to another video and the final video of this vacation from Kerala. From now on, after this, it'll be vlogs from Muscat. Yes, this video was taken a couple of days before leaving and later part. A glimpse of a dinner night with my parents. These clips are taken to capture moments we spent together that when we look back in future, we find these really precious. We are really excited to pack when we are coming for vacation, but on leaving, don't even want to think about it even a day before, so it's a bit delayed. It's been just 6 months ever since we went to Muscat. However, I still have some major shopping to be done, and that's not at all like how we shop for coming home. It's different. My mother-in-law's sisters. My mother-in-law is the eldest among them. Our friend from Dubai also came to visit us. Meanwhile, here's pickle preparation going on. I had shared one of the pickles in another video. We'll share that in the description box. I normally ask my mom to come home to help me pack as my mom does it well. But due to other engagements, she was not able to come. Had to do it all myself. That's one pickle ready. When family joins, we put plans to go out somewhere late night, keeping kids at home. It's not that we come for having food mainly, it's just to get a good vibe. We missed my second brother-in-law and family. It was continuously drizzling those days, and I badly miss the rains now. That's one rambutan my mother-in-law plucked for me from our garden so that I could taste our homegrown fruit. Me and my husband shared it. It's not yet a large tree. We'll need more time to see it bearing so many fruits. Had some more shopping to be done, so me and my husband got out. Had to collect kids' transfer certificate from their previous school. We in fact forgot to inform the school as soon as we reached Kerala, but at least got it late. I recently have started to use a face wash recommended by a dermatologist who I had consulted last time. Very good for acne prone skin. It's even available in Amazon. We'll put the link below. On the way back, got into the store Heidi, which is in my hometown. Bought few hijabs and a salwar suit. Normally I carry grated coconut when we return, so to make it easier, took the electric grater my mother-in-law had in her kitchen. Back home, my mom's brother and family had come to meet us before leaving. Coconut and coconut oil is a must in my kitchen. Had already shown long back how I carry coconut oil. Adding whole black peppercorns to coconut oil increases the shelf life. I place cling film this way, then cover it well so that it doesn't leak. Then I place it in the freezer to make it hard. The flight duration is 3 hours. It remains solid till we reach. They are our neighbors. They used to take Malayalam tuitions for my kids when they were studying here in Kerala. And ever since then, they keep a good touch with us over the phone. Late night came my family. Had ordered a spice organizer to my parents' home. We'll share the link in the description box. Found this in good quality. Now this tiny tot is my youngest brother-in-law's daughter who is ready to go with anyone leaving home. She sees someone dressed up, wear hijab and is carrying a handbag. She is ready to go with them. Shabna was leaving as kids had school next day, and we anyway were leaving home at 5 in the morning. It was in the morning I packed frozen coconut and frozen coconut oil. It was really emotional this time leaving home. And off we fly.
Those who require wheelchair assistance are requested to remain seated. Your crew member will help you to the aircraft door as soon as possible. Thank you.
And there we are back home. My plants have grown really well. I had shared this on my Instagram and so many had asked me how I managed to keep my plants not dry. We had asked our caretaker in the building to water the plants once every week and of course paying him for this work. That's all for today's vlog and I hope you enjoyed watching it. Kids' school has reopened, so we all are back in routine. See you with more vlogs and recipes from Muscat. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.